Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Oxygen OS 15. First, verify your device model is supported for the update. Next, perform a full backup of your phone's data to prevent any loss. Then, connect to a strong Wi-Fi signal and ensure your battery is charged above 50%. These steps are crucial for a smooth and successful installation. To check for the update, open your phone's Settings application. Scroll down and tap on About Device or System, depending on your specific model. From there, locate and select Software Update. Your phone will then search for the newest Oxygen OS version. If available, you'll see an option to download and install it. Once the Oxygen OS 15 update is found, tap to download the package. This might take some time, as updates can be several gigabytes in size. After downloading, follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the installation. Your phone will restart automatically during this process, so please do not interrupt it. Be patient, as the first boot after an update can take a bit longer. After your device successfully updates to Oxygen OS 15, take some time to explore all the new features and enhancements. If you notice any minor performance hiccups, clearing your system cache can often resolve them. This helps optimize your phone's operation. Also, for those looking for great deals, check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other fantastic offers. They come with a lifetime warranty, so you know they're built to last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.